Alright, we're going to do a quick little unboxing video on some XS Power. Of course, here's some generic stuff. I'm not going to use no camera. Just use my phone right now. Just see what it looks like. Of course, Sonic Electronics. I go through them for everything. Zero gauge little clips. Yeah, Sonic Electronics. I didn't really need a whole lot, you know. Just enough. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, much better. Let's put them side by side. Generic against some real zero gauge. Oh wow. No comparison really. Yeah. Go for XS Power. That's all you gotta do. You want some zero gauge? This stuff right here, fairly cheap. Get some.